Hi guys, welcome back. Here I am copying some text from Notepad on my Windows machine. Now I come to my Ubuntu virtual machine, and when I right click inside the terminal, and as you can see, the paste option is grayed out. Nothing happens. If you are facing the same problem, stay with me and I will show you how to fix it. So first of all, make sure your Ubuntu virtual machine is running and you are logged into the desktop. Once Ubuntu is fully loaded, just keep it open. Alright, now let's fix the problem. Before changing any settings, let's open the terminal so we can test copy and paste. So click on show options, then search for terminal and open it. Now keep the terminal windows open. We will come back to it after fixing the settings. So from here, move your mouse to device, then click on share clipboard. You will see that it's either disable or set it to one direction. So that's the reason copy paste is not working. So just click on bidirectional. Now even after enabling these options, copy paste may still not work immediately. So on many systems a restart is required for these changes to fully apply. So we need to restart this. Click on powered, then restart and wait for Ubuntu to boot again. Once you are logged back in, open the terminal again. Now let's test it again. I will copy some text from the Notepad on my Windows machines. Now right click inside the Ubuntu terminal. As you can see, the paste option is now available and the text pasted correctly. Now let me check it the other way around. I will copy some text from the Ubuntu itself. After that, I will switch back to my Windows machine and paste it there. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. This confirms that the copy paste is working properly in both directions. If copy paste is still not working even after restarting, then guest edition needs to be installed or reinstalled. So for that, click on device again, then click on insert guest edition CD image. Wait for the pop-up inside Ubuntu and then click on run. Enter your Ubuntu password and press enter. Let the installation complete. Once guest edition installation finishes, you need to restart Ubuntu one more time. So I have already made a separate details video on this. You can find the link in the description below. This type is required for the Clipboard service to start properly. So that's how we can easily enable copy paste from your Windows host machine to your Ubuntu virtual machine. If this video helped you guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.